Hey, teachers. So this is Mr. Karapitan again. I just want to try to help you guys as easy as possible on this, on how to check for your own students that is registered in your class, their status on your class. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're at home right now. This is the home screen. You're going to go to dashboard. Once you go to dashboard, it's going to automatically fill in all the active students that is in our campus at this time. Now, for you, what you're going to do is I'm going to go hit on group, and then I will go to classes, and then I will choose my class. So for example, if I am Miss, I'll pick a name here, Miss Brink. So I'll just go to Mr. Boudreau. So I'll just go to Mr. Boudreau. If I'm Mr. Boudreau, I'll hit this one and I'll hit apply. Right now, what this is doing now is just telling me all the students that are registered in my class right now. These are all the students right here, and it'll tell you their status at this time. So you notice that this student is at 22%, and you can tell that the last grade they submitted is here, that they're working on it. So please know this, and you can export this, by the way, to Excel, and you can send this to me, and I will be asking for this. So you can look at it this way, or you can export to Excel, and it's gonna go do this, and it's gonna tell me there's a beauty is it got a password. So this is actually better because now I can go ahead and come do something about this situation right now. But the most important part is I need you guys to just go ensure that you're telling your students these are your students and remind them to get going with it. Because remember, look at the target date is 3/13. It's gonna be there. It's gonna get there quick. So hopefully you guys are doing this, and I'll get back with you guys. But hopefully this video has helped on how to monitor them. Thank you.